So good morning, students. So in the last class, I told you about the parity generation and parity detection. That means error detection and error correction by using the Hamming code. Okay. So today I will explain you. So due to your some of the students' request, I want to explain you about the latches and flip flops one more time. Okay. About the sequential circuits. Okay. So shall you able shall you able to see this OneNote for Windows 10? Anyone give response?
Yes, sir.
What I am sharing, can you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Students, give response.
We can see.
Okay, 1 second. I'm sharing the video, sharing the this whiteboard. Can you able to see this Microsoft OneNote? Students, give response. Give response.
Yes, sir. We can see.
Students,
Yes, sir.
students, can you able to see what I am sharing? Is anyone give response?
No, sir.
Not. 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think you can see now. Can you see this? DE class sequential circuits. Give response so that I can move forward.
Yes, sir.
Sequential circuit. Okay. So we have two types. Those are combinational circuits and sequential circuits. So what are the sequential circuits? So sequential circuits, these sequential circuits is a combinational circuit, with memory. Okay. Sequential circuit is nothing but it's a combinational circuit with memory. Okay, so that means the output of the sequential circuit depend on the present input. Okay, the output of the sequential circuit. Okay, sequential circuit depends on present input, okay, uh, and present input and present state. Okay, this present state we call this as a past output. Okay, you need to remember these past outputs are nothing but we call as a present state. Okay, so the output of the sequential circuits are depending on the present input as well as past outputs. Okay, past output, that means past outputs are nothing but we call as a present state. Okay, so so if you see the block diagram for the sequential circuit, so you have the combinational circuit. So this is a combinational circuit. So this is a combinational circuit, and for the combinational circuit you have input and output. Okay, so there will be feedback for this one. So that means the output is fed back with a memory element. The output will be fed back with the memory element, and that feedback is given to the input. Okay, so that means so this total circuit with input and output we call as a sequential circuit. Okay, so this is sequential circuit. Okay, so here if you see the information stored in the sequential circuit represent the present state. Okay, so the present state and present input defines the output and next state. Okay, so that means if you see the sequential circuit, in this the present state and the present input. Okay, present state and present input define output and next state. Output and next state. Okay, so if you see the classification of sequential circuit, so they are classified as, okay, those are classified as one second. So those are classified as, one is asynchronous, and next one is synchronous. Asynchronous and synchronous. So what is the difference between asynchronous and synchronous? Means asynchronous means you have different clock. You have different clock like latches and time delays. Okay, so these are the examples for the asynchronous sequential circuits. And coming to the synchronous sequential circuit, you have flip flop. Okay, we have flip flop. Okay, so these are the classification of asynchronous and synchronous sequential circuit. So first of all, before going to into the flip flop, first of all you need to know about the latch. Okay, so that is first we are going to study about the SR latch. Okay, SR latch. So what is this SR latch? Okay, this is a so as I told you, latch is asynchronous. So this is asynchronous sequential circuit. Okay, asynchronous sequential circuit. So if you observe the logic circuit, okay, so if you observe the logic circuit, so that means we can realize this SR latch by using the two gates. One is NOR gate and next one is NAND gate. So first I am realizing this SR latch by using the NOR gate. Okay, so this latch is nothing but we call as a 1-bit memory element. So it will store the 1 bit of data. Okay, so you have two NOR gates, So this one is feedback to this input, and this one will be feedback to this input. This one will be feedback to this input. So here, for using this NOR gate, you need to remember that this is R and this is S. Okay. So in the digital terminology, normally S is nothing but set. Set means what you are making any one to logic 1. Okay. And R is nothing but reset. So reset means what you are making any one to logic 0. Okay. Set and reset. Okay. So that means here first R is connected and next S is connected, and you have the states, present state. Okay, so Qn and Qn bar. Okay, and next, so you have the next state, Qn plus 1 and Qn plus 1 bar. Okay, so most of the students, they will confuse that this is the present state and Qn bar is the next state. Not like that. uh, these Qn and Qn bar, Qn is the present state and the complement of Qn bar, the present state Qn is nothing but Qn bar. Okay, so the next state is nothing but Qn plus 1 and Qn plus 1 bar. Okay, so present state is nothing but past outputs. Those are nothing but the past outputs. Okay, so this is the logic circuit, and coming to the logic diagram. So logic diagram. So if you see the logic diagram, this is one block. It is represented S and R, Q and Q bar. Okay, so this is a logic diagram. Now I will realize this SR latch. Okay, so so you take first case. This is take first case. So when S equal to 0 and R equal to 0. Okay, so that means when S equal to 0. So when S equal to 0 and R equal to 0. Okay, so that means so what is Qn plus 1? So what is Qn plus 1? Qn plus 1. So so first of all, we'll see Qn plus 1 bar. So Qn plus 1 bar. So this is equal to so the input is given from this side. So you'll start from here. 0 plus Qn bar whole bar. Okay, 0 plus Qn bar whole bar. So that means what you are getting. So 0 plus Qn. 1 second. First we'll see. 1 second. So Qn plus 1. If you see the Qn plus 1, you see the Qn plus 1. Qn plus 1. This is equal to. So this next state Qn plus 1 equal to. So here one of the input is 0 and Qn bar is feedback. That means Qn bar whole bar. Okay, so Qn bar whole bar. So that means so here Qn bar is one input. So so what you are getting, this is nothing but Qn. You are getting Qn plus 1 equal to Qn. Okay, and if you observe Qn plus 1 whole bar. Okay, so Qn plus 1 whole bar equal to what? 0 plus Qn whole bar. That means you are getting Qn bar. So that means you are getting the next state. That means whatever the previous state is there, that you are getting the next state. So that means you can say that this state is nothing but no change or memory state. So that means whatever the previous state, that means previous output is there, that is Qn and Qn bar. So that is a present state. So you are getting the next state as present state. So this case we call as a no change. No change. Okay. So that means we are seeing this Qn plus 1, that you are getting Qn, and Qn plus 1 bar you are getting Qn bar. Okay, and if you see the second case S equal to 0 and R equal to 1. Okay, so second case S equal to 0 and R equal to 1. If you observe this, so S equal to 0 and R equal to 1. Okay. So what is Qn plus 1? Qn plus 1, that is equal to, so what is R? R is 1 plus Qn bar whole bar. Okay. So that means so what you are getting, this is nothing but Qn. Okay, this is nothing but Qn. So suppose if I calculate a Qn plus 1 whole bar, okay, Qn plus 1 whole bar, next state. So what is the input? Basically this is S is 0 and R is 1. No? Okay. So Qn plus 1 equal to what you got? Qn. So that is R and Qn bar. No. So you see from this side, so what you are getting? One input is Qn plus 1. One input is 1. Okay. So 1 plus. So that means 1 plus Qn whole bar you are getting. So 1 plus something is how much? You are getting 1 plus something is 1. 1 bar is how much? 0. So that means by taking this as reference, you can make this Qn plus 1 as 1. Okay. So that means when S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, you are getting the which state? Qn plus 1 equal to 1. Okay. So that means when S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, you are getting Qn plus 1 as 1. Okay. So when S equal to, one second. See here. So when S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, so when S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, if you see Qn plus 1, so this is 1. Okay. So 1 plus Qn bar whole bar. Okay. So 1 plus Qn bar whole bar, that is equal to, uh, so 1 plus something is how much? 1. 1 bar equal to how much? 0. Okay. So that means here in this case you are getting Qn plus 1 equal to what? 0. Okay. So that means when S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, you are getting which state? Reset state. You are getting reset state. Okay. And next, and third case, if you see the third case, when S equal to 1 and R equal to 0. Okay. So when S equal to 1 and R equal to 0, so
Sir,
what is your doubt?
sir, in this second case, when S is equal to 0, for
S
Q
equal to 0 and R equal to 1. Yes, yes.
for Qn plus 1 bar.
Qn plus 1 bar you can analyze. Okay. See here. So you want Qn plus 1 bar, no? So Qn plus 1 bar. So this is suppose
Sir,
if you are,
will it get Qn bar?
no. See here. So I'm analyzing this Qn plus 1 bar, no? So Qn plus 1 bar equal to what is the input? So if you want to find out the Qn plus 1 bar, so what you are getting? Qn plus 1 bar. So that means you will get 1. Okay. Why? Because see here. So what is the input? One input is 0, and what is the another input? Qn. Okay. Whole bar. Okay. So that means uh, you are here you are getting Qn bar you are getting. Okay. So what is Qn over there? Qn is actually that means here you are getting Qn bar, but in the first case itself you got the reset. No need to go for the complement. Understood? First case itself you got the reset state. So Qn bar means no need to bother about this. First state you got this value, so no need to bother about that. You will get Qn bar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in the second case, I will see the third case. So when S is 1 and R is 0. Okay. So that means when S is 1 and R is 0, okay, so what I am getting, so when S is 1 and R is 0, so Qn plus 1 equal to, so see here from this side 0 plus Qn bar. So 0 plus this will be one input. Okay, this will be one input. So 0 plus Qn bar whole bar. So that is equal to what you are getting Qn. Okay, so that means when you are taking Qn plus 1, you not get any of the value. And next I am checking for Qn plus 1 whole bar. Okay, so Qn plus 1 whole bar. What is Qn plus 1 whole bar? 1 plus 1 plus. So this is one input. And Qn is the feedback whole bar. So that is 1 plus something is how much? 1 itself. 1 bar equal to how much? 0. So that means you got the next state Qn plus 1 as 0. By taking this reference, what is Qn? Qn is what? 1. Understood? So that means you got Qn plus 1 as 0. Okay. So that means Qn plus 1 bar as 0. Okay. So by taking this as reference, what is Qn plus 1? You can take as 1. So that means when S equal to 1 and R equal to 0, so what you are getting? So this is equal to so set state. Set state. Is it okay? Students, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm going for the next case, that is fourth case. So fourth case, if you see, so case 4. Case 4, if you see, when S equal to 1 and R equal to 1. Okay, when S equal to 1 and R equal to 1. So that means Qn plus 1. Okay, so when S equal to 1 and R equal to 1, this is 1 plus Qn, 1 plus Qn bar whole bar. Okay, so that means S equal to 1. So that means I am looking for this state, next state, the true form of this one. So that means 1 plus something is 1 itself, you are getting 0. Okay, and next if I see for Qn plus 1 bar. Okay, so Qn plus 1 bar is how much? 1 plus, so 1 is the input for S, and another input is what? Qn. So 1 plus Qn whole bar. So that 1 plus something is 1 bar. 1 bar equal to what? 0. Okay, so that means in this case, what I am getting, one the next state Qn plus 1 is 0, and the Qn plus 1 bar is also I am getting 0. Okay, so that means if you, so this is a true form and this is a complement weight form. That means if you are getting Qn plus 1 as 0, you should get Qn plus 1 as 1, but you are getting the same values. So this state we can't expect. So this state we call as an indeterminate state. Okay, this state, that means we can't expect the output. Okay, so that means you are getting the same values which is not valid in the digital terminology. So that's why this is nothing but intermediate indeterminate state. Okay, indeterminate state. Okay, so that means what you got. So when S equal to 0 and S equal to R equal to 0, what you got, that is no change. So that is nothing but Qn you got. And so first Qn I will write. So Qn and no change. And when S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, you got which state? When S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, so that is reset state. Okay, 0 you got. So that is nothing but reset state you got. Okay, and when S equal to 1 and R equal to 0, you got set state. Okay, so that is this is set state. And when S equal to 1 and R equal to 1, you got that means you can consider this as don't care, that is indeterminate state. Okay, so indeterminate state. Okay, so here you can so you can write the truth table. Okay, truth table for SR latch. Okay, so that means S R Qn. Okay, S R Qn. So that means Qn is nothing but the present state. Okay, so S R Qn and Qn plus 1, S R Qn and Qn plus 1. Let us consider this. SRQN, and here you have Qn plus 1. So that means here Qn is nothing but the present state, and Qn plus 1 is nothing but the next state. Okay, so that means here three inputs are the three. So that means you have 0 0. Qn is the present state. We can't expect the present state. Okay, we can't find. That means there are, in the digital terminology, there are two values. Okay, 0 1. So that means 0 0 1. Okay, we can divide this, and next and next 0 1, and Qn plus 1 is 0 1. So this is 0 1. Okay, you can divide, and next 1 0. So Qn is present state is anyway, this is this combination 0 1. Okay, so we can, and 1 1. Okay, 0 1. So now see here, when S is 0 and R is 0. So what is that state? No change, or memory state. So that means whatever the Qn value is there, you will get this. Whatever the Qn value is there, you will get this. So that means this is nothing but no change, or we can call as a memory state. That means whatever the previous outputs are there, that will be saved. Okay, so that means those are nothing but the present state. Okay, and here when S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, you got this one. Okay, that means reset state. Okay, so this is nothing but reset state. Okay, and when S equal to 1 and R equal to 0, you got set state. And when S equal to 1 and R equal to 1, you can't determine this. These are nothing but uh, indeterminate state. Okay, so indeterminate state. Okay, so that means in short way you can write this: yes, R Qn and Qn plus 1. Qn plus 1. So what are the possible combinations? If two inputs are there, means 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So that means the Qn can be anything. That means you can consider as don't care. 0 1 means don't care. So this is what the no change or memory state. Okay, this is no change or memory state. Okay, Qn. Okay, that is nothing but Qn, and this is reset state, and this is set state. Okay, and this is nothing but indeterminate state. Indeterminate state. We can't determine the output. Why? Because you are getting Qn plus 1 and Qn plus 1 bar as 0 0. So that is false. Okay, you are getting the false output. So that's why you can't determine that. So like this, you have to analyze this. Is there any doubts in this, students? Is anyone give response?
Sir,
What is your doubt?
sir, how you consider these values for Qn and Qn plus 1, sir?
Where?
In truth table, sir.
In the truth table, see here, Qn is nothing but, what is Qn? Qn is nothing but present state. Present state are nothing but previous outputs. Okay, so can we predict the previous outputs? We can't predict. So that's why I took the two values, that is 0 1. Okay, and here also 0 1, here also 0 1. Okay, here also 0 1. That means so if you consider the three inputs, what are the possible combinations? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. You are getting the same thing, no? Understood? That's why here I kept the Qn as don't care. That means we can't predict the present state. So if we can't predict the present state, you can take that states as a don't care. So that means what is the possible combination of don't cares in the K map? Also we are seen depending on the pairing or making the quad, or more making the pair, making the octet. So we can consider the don't care as 0 and 1. No? So that's why this here also whatever the present state is there, I consider as 0 and 1. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So actually, this is nothing but we call this as a characteristic table. Okay, so from the characteristic table, I will get the characteristic equation. Okay, so so this is the SR large by using which gate? NAND gate. Okay, Now SR latch by using the NOR gate. So till now we have seen the SR latch by using the NOR gate. Now we'll see the SR latch using NAND gate. Okay. So during realization, we'll not use SR latch by using the NOR gate. So mostly we'll use the SR latch by using the NAND gate only. Okay, you need to remember the truth table for the SR latch by using the NAND gate. So if you see the logic diagram, so you have an AND gate, okay, an AND gate, and next here also you have one NAND gate, okay. So this input is feedback to the input of this NAND gate, and this input is feedback to the input of this NAND gate. So here you can write S and R, whereas in the NOR latch you should write R and S. Okay, so this is Qn and this is Qn plus. So this is Qn bar. Okay, so what are these? These are nothing but present states. What is the next state? Qn plus 1 and Qn plus 1 bar. Okay, so next states are depending on the present inputs as well as present state. What are the present states? Past outputs. Okay, those are nothing but the past outputs. Okay, so now I'll write the truth table. So this is the S R Qn and the next state Qn plus 1. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so this present state we don't know, so I'm keeping S, don't guess. Okay, okay, so this is the present state and this is nothing but next state. Okay, so now let us realize this. Take the case 1 when S equal to 0 and R equal to 0. Okay, so Qn plus 1 equal to, so I need to find out this Qn plus 1 equal to, so when S is 0 and R is 0. Okay, when S is 0 and R is 0, 0 into what is my another input? Qn bar. Okay, whole bar. 0 into Qn bar whole bar. Okay, so 0 into Qn bar whole bar means 0 into something is what? 0. 0 bar equal to what? 1. 1 you got. And coming to this one, Qn plus 1 bar. Okay, so I want to find this Qn plus 1 bar. 0 is one input. Okay, so coming from this side, so 0 is one input. Okay, R is one input, and Qn is one input. Qn whole bar. So that means 0 into something is what? 0. 0 bar equal to 1. Okay, so that means you are getting Qn plus 1 as 1 and Qn plus 1 bar as 1. Okay, so that means this is not possible. That means nothing but this is nothing but indeterminate state. Okay, so this is nothing but indeterminate state. Okay, and if you consider the second case, case 2, when S equal to 0 and R equal to 1. When S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, so what is Qn plus 1? Qn plus 1 equal to, so when S equal to 0 and R equal to 1. Okay, so Qn plus 1 equal to 0 0 into Qn bar whole bar. So 0 into something is what? 0. 0 bar equal to what? 1. Okay, so that means you are getting which state? 1. 1 means what? You are getting in this case set state. Okay, so this is nothing but uh, 1. You are getting 1. Okay, so you are getting 1. So that is nothing but set state. So third case if I see, if I see S equal to 1 and R equal to 0. Okay, so S equal to 1 and R equal to 0. Okay, so so if you want to find out this Qn plus 1, Qn plus 1 equal to, so what is one input? 1 into what is another input? Qn bar. So Qn bar is feedback, no? So Qn bar whole bar. Okay, so this is nothing but Qn. You are getting Qn. Now I will find out Qn plus 1 bar. This is equal to, so what is one input? This is 0 into another input is Qn whole bar. So this is nothing but 0 bar. That means equal to 1. Okay, so I got Qn plus 1 as 1. By taking the reference of this, I can find out this Qn plus 1 equal to what? Complement of that one. That means you got 1 as, here you got 1. That means this is nothing but what? 0. Okay, so that means you got when s equal to 1 and r equal to 0. So that means Qn plus 1 equal to what? 0. So what is this one? Reset state. Reset state. Okay, and last case, that is fourth case, if you see, when s equal to 1 and r equal to 1. Okay, so what is Qn plus 1? Qn plus 1. So when s is 1 and r is 1, Qn plus 1 equal to what? 1 into another input is Qn bar whole bar. Okay, so that means you are getting Qn. You are getting Qn. And if you want to find out Qn plus 1 bar, so what is the one input? 1 into what is the another input? Qn bar. So that means Qn bar. Okay, so that means so the next state equal to what? You are getting Qn itself. That means present state. And Qn plus 1 bar equal to what? You are getting Qn bar. Okay, so that means you can write this one as Qn. This is nothing but Qn. So that means this is this we call as a no change or memory. So that means just opposite of this, whatever the we realized using the NOR gate, same thing we will get in the realization of SR latch by using the NAND gate. Is it okay? Any doubts in this? Students, give response.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that means basically, what is the expression for the NAND gate and NOR gate? Based on that only, I realized this 4 cases. Okay. Okay. Anyway, 10 minutes left. Okay. We'll see the flip flops. Shall we go for the flip flop? Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, if you see, so till now we have seen the latch. Now SR flip flop. SR flip flop. Okay. So here, if you see, the SR flip flop will be like this. Okay. So you have one NAND gate, and this is SR latch. SR latch. The input is feedback here. The output is feedback here, and you have a common clock over here. So that means it can be positive edge trigger and negative edge trigger. So that means here there is a positive edge trigger. This is clock, and here you have S, and here you have R. Okay, and here you have the present state Qn, and then the complement of this Qn bar. And what is the next state? Qn plus 1, and here Qn plus 1 bar. Qn plus 1 bar. Okay, so now I will realize this one. So first case, when s equal to 0 and r equal to 0. Okay, so that means when s equal to 0 and r equal to 0, when clock equal to 1. See here, when clock equal to 1. Okay, so that means 0 into 1. So 0 into 1 is how much? 0 into 1 is 0. 0 bar is how much? 1. Okay, 0 bar is 1. And here 1 into 0, 0. 0 bar is how much? 1. Okay, so that means so this is anyway NAND SR latch. So this is NAND SR latch. Okay, so by seeing this truth table of NAND SR latch, so what is Qn plus 1, or otherwise I will tell you, if it is 1, so you can consider qn plus 1 equal to 1 into 1 into qn bar, 1 into qn bar whole bar. So this is equal to what? Qn itself. Or otherwise you can see the truth table by using the NAND gate. When S equal to 1 and R equal to 1, what you got? That is a memory, no change. Okay. Or you can realize here 1 is coming and one more input qn bar is coming. 1 into qn bar whole bar equal to qn. Okay. So that means this is nothing but no change or memory state. Memory state. Okay. So the difference between latch and flip flop means latch doesn't have the clock and flip flop is having the clock. That is the only difference. Okay. And next, the second case, S equal to 1 and R equal to S equal to 0 and R equal to 1. Okay. So S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, if you see, so S equal to 0 and R equal to 1. Okay. So that means 0 into 1 is how much? 0. 0 bar is how much? 1 you are getting. Okay. And next 1 into 1, 1. 1 bar is how much? 0 you are getting. Okay. So 1 0 you are getting. Okay. 1 0 you are getting. Okay. So so if you see that truth table for the SR latch, if it is 1 0, you should get the reset state. No, you should get the reset state. So here I am realizing. So qn plus 1 equal to. So if you take this 1 into this input. Okay, 1 into this input. So 1 into qn bar whole bar. So this is equal to what? You are getting qn. Okay, you are getting qn. Suppose if I take a qn plus 1 whole bar, what you are getting? 0. So one input is 0. 0 into what is another input? Qn. Qn whole bar. Okay, so this is nothing but 0 bar. 0 bar equal to what? 1. Okay, by taking this reference, so if I write this one, so what is qn plus 1? 0. Okay, so that means when s equal to 0 and r equal to 1, what I am getting? Reset state. Reset state. qn plus 1 equal to what? I am getting in this case qn plus 1 equal to 0 I am getting. 0 I am getting. Okay, and in the third case, if I see, third case, s equal to 1 and r equal to 0. So s equal to 1 and r equal to 0. Okay, so 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 bar is how much? 0 you are getting. And 0 into 1 is 0. 0 bar is 1. Okay, so when it is 0, so I can realize this one. So qn plus 1 equal to what? 0 is one input and qn bar is another input. 0 into qn bar whole bar. So this is equal to what? 0 bar. So this is equal to 1. Okay. So that means this is nothing but set state. Set state. Okay. So that means you are getting qn plus when s equal to 1 and r equal to 0, you are getting what? Set state. You can see the truth table. Okay. Here 0 1 means what? The truth table of SR latch by using the NAND gate. 0 1 means set state. So you will get the set state. Okay. And next fourth case, s equal to 1 and r equal to 1. Okay. So here s equal to 1 and r equal to 1. So that means here 1 into 1 is how much? 0. And here 1, sorry, 1 second. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 complement is 0. Okay. And next 1 into 1 is 1. 1 complement is 0. Okay. 1 complement is 0. So now if you see qn plus 1, so that means 0 0 are coming to the SR latch. You can observe the table also. 0 0 means indeterminate state. So I will prove that. So that means if you want to find out qn plus 1, 0 into qn bar whole bar. Okay. So that means this is 0 bar, you are getting 1, and qn plus 1 bar equal to 0 into, so 0 is one input and qn is another input. Okay. Next state, present state, 0 into qn bar. So that means what you are getting? 0 bar. So that is equal to 1. So that means this is true form and this is complement form, but we are getting the same values. So that means this state we can't predict. That means we call this as the indeterminate state. We call this as the indeterminate state. So we got all the states. So this is nothing but memory, and this state is nothing but reset state, and this state is nothing but set state, and this state is nothing but indeterminate state. Okay, so now you can draw the truth table. So you have the clock, you have the clock, you have the clock, S, R, and Qn. This is the present state, and Qn plus 1 is next state. Okay, so that means so when clock is 0, okay, when clock is 0, okay, so what happens, whatever may be the S and R values, you are getting the no change, that means memory state. Okay, so this is anyway present state is you should consider as don't care, that means no change you are getting, that means we call as a memory state. So whatever the previous values are there, that will be saved. Okay, so when clock is 1, okay, so when clock is 1, or you can consider the positive edge trigger. Okay, so when clock is 1, you can consider this as positive edge trigger. That means what, when it is going from positive edge trigger, the flip flop will be activated when it is going from 0 to 1. So this is nothing but positive edge trigger, okay, this is edge. And what is negative edge trigger? When the clock is going from negative to positive is nothing but positive edge trigger, and from 1 to 0, that means positive to negative, this is nothing but negative edge trigger. Okay, so we have taken the positive edge trigger flip flop. So these are the possible combinations: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so whatever maybe, you can't predict the present state. Okay, those are nothing but don't care. Okay, and when S is 0 and R is 0, what you got? Memory. Okay, so that means the Qn itself. Okay, the Qn itself, that is no change or memory. And when S equal to 0 and R equal to 1, what you got? So when S equal to 0, R equal to 0, reset state. So that means this is 0, reset state. Okay, and when S equal to 1 and R equal to 0, you got set state. Okay, set state, set state. And when S equal to 1 and R equal to 1, this is, we can consider as don't care, that is indeterminate state. Indeterminate state. So like this, you can get the truth table flip flop. You can get the truth table for the flip flop by analyzing this circuit. Okay.